Hi folks, here's just a little modification that I did to my bike to allow me to fit this pyramid hugger. Now these things average about 150 to 180 pounds depending which one you buy. I think you can get just a plain matte black one, plastic thing for about, I can't remember it, 80-90 quid. But the colour coded ones and the carbon ones are like 150 to 180 pounds. And they actually expect you to hold them on with 4 cable ties. Obviously the designer couldn't be bothered figuring out any other way of utilising some of the bolts on the swinging arm, etc, etc. I'll just show you what I've done here. So if you look in on your bike in here, you'll see here and here there's already 2 holes. I mean, that was just part of the casting on the bike. Okay, so all I've done here is you just drill that hole out 8mm and then just give it a gentle file, and then in my hand here you'll see here there's a brass barbed insert which is internally threaded at 6mm. So what you do is you drill the hole and you put that on there and then you just knock it in, and as you can see it's nice and flush, and that is never coming out in a month of Sundays. Okay, so then all I did was I just fabricated, let's get a better look, a little L-shaped bracket, and I attached the hugger via this, not via 4 cable ties. So that's what I did, and it's very simple. And hold on, I'll lift this hugger down and I'll just show you. I'll put this in place. So this is the hugger here. That's it in place, and the bolts obviously come through here, and I'm using these black Allen headed, and I'll pop one through. So as you can see they look quite neat, and once that's bolted up this thing is absolutely solid. Now if you want to, once you put the nut on, you can actually put these wee plastic caps, they pop over the nut so you can't see the nut, and it protects the threads getting covered in crap. So there's the 2 holes that you've already got in the bike, and possibly you could just put a little drop of silicone under here and a little drop of silicone under here, leave it overnight. But at the end of the day, I've already had this bolted up and it is absolutely rock solid. It's certainly 100 times better than using 4 cable ties. I don't know what, I mean, Pyramid makes some good gear, but I don't know what I think this was just, he was being lazy, to be honest with you. Designed a really nice looking hugger and then just thought, oh, we'll just put some holes in it and you can hold it on with cable ties. Aye, very good. Anyway folks, that'll do for just now. So if you've got a 2017 onwards GSXR and you fancy one of these colour coded pyramid huggers, then well, they're well enough made, but they're just to expect them to be held on with cable ties is a no-no. So that's what you can do. Pretty simple, 8mm drill, give it a wee file, knock in these 2 inserts, and that's you got your 6mm thread. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye!